The Hyatt Regency Hotel, New Delhi, is building a brand that is synonymous with sustainability, luxury, and trust. The hotel's 35-year-old structure, inspired by India's golden age of the Gupta period, seamlessly merges tradition with modernity. The hotel's management has committed to pursuing environmental conservation and became the only LEED Platinum certified property among more than 700 Hyatt hotels worldwide.
There are 35-year-old hotels. Yes, they're hotels that were built ages ago when the materials were different, maybe they were not as eco-friendly, but they've bridged the gap very nicely, and it's very practical, I would say. It doesn't seem like, oh God, you know, when I look at the parameters, there's no way we're going to get to that certification.
The Hyatt Regency has worked diligently to improve its energy efficiency. Solar panels, LED lighting, and HVAC equipment are important contributors. A building management system monitors total energy consumption.
We have incorporated a system from USA which is called Power Server, and this gives a straight 5 to 7% energy saving. We try to maintain the optimal operative range of the chillers, and there are several other efforts also, like judicious use of VFDs, judicious use of other pumps, and so on.
The building's facade, crafted from native sandstone, further helps to reduce energy use by warding off direct heat penetration. Almost 75% of the hotel's electricity is sourced from green hydropower, making the Hyatt Regency the only building in Delhi to purchase green hydroelectric power. These efforts have produced savings of Rs 3 crore, which more than recoups an initial Rs 2.7 crore investment made just 2 short years ago.
We have already reduced the carbon footprint by more than 5,500 metric ton, which is an achievement.
Water is managed with fixture restrictors, rainwater harvesting, and an on-site sewage treatment plant. The hotel only uses grey water to operate its cooling tower and irrigate its grounds.
The rain shower, it has to be 11 liters per minute. In the tap, it has to be 5 or 6 liters per minute. We maintain that very strictly. It is giving us a wonderful result, and as well as we are collecting the entire building's condensate water. This water we are again reusing in cooling tower, wherein this 5 to 6 tons of water, we are getting it absolutely free of cost. Moreover, the temperature of this water helps us to cool down the cooling water temperature quite a bit.
Waste is segregated and then handed over to authorized vendors. And when it comes to comfort and productivity, the hotel provides best-in-class indoor air quality, individual climate controls in each room, and generous access to outdoor views and natural daylight.
So apart from the fact that it brings the operation savings, guests, like I mentioned before, are becoming more aware. So when they want to book, and if we are a LEED certified hotel, I think, yes, it gives us an edge. So I think that will lead to more guest rooms. Guest rooms will lead to more money, and of course, bottom line also improves.
To learn more, visit gbci.org/India. Lead on.